right there. 203 and 216. And it's train 19 tailing. Woo! Check this out, everyone. Let me walk up here. So that way I can show you guys the train up at a closer shot. And I don't see Union Pacific quite yet, but I know there's one coming. It's either going to be a southbound Union Pacific or a northbound UP. So here it is. Here's FrontRunner, boys, for a very short time. As you can see, this one's built in Boise, Idaho. And it's an FE36 PH. Let's watch it go. Woo! That was loud. So let's watch the train go, guys. Alright. Heard the air hiss. And off it goes. Woo! So yeah. Now we just wait for Union Pacific. Alright. See, I'm not sure when Union Pacific is gonna be here. Pretty smooth takeoff. Here goes FrontRunner, boys. Woo! Smoke show! Alright, so the signal just turned red. Since he just left the station. Alright. So now, the question is Union Pacific going to be heading south or north? But once I see UP, I'll let you guys know. Alright, so there's shot number 1 with FrontRunner. 112 leading with 19 tailing. Here at Clearfield FrontRunner Station in Clearfield, Utah, on State Street. Excuse me. Alright, here comes the next video. Roll it.
A few moments later.
Roll it! Come on, do it! Woo! It's a... Woo! 8092 with a K582! And that's a steep... Woo! Woo! It's a K582, everyone! And this one's a 200 up front, leading a manifest. Alright, so it's a little bit of tankers on this one. Now we got some IRACs for the most part. Woo! He's rolling! Woo! It's a K582 on this train, everyone! KCS! There's plenty of IRACs on this one. Check this out, everyone! Alright. Oh, this was actually rather short. And this looks to be a 2x0. Southbound auto-rack. On the Clearfield subdivision, here's northbound FrontRunner. On the Clearfield subdivision, on State Street. We got 6 leadings. Alright. So we got northbound FrontRunner here. So this was a 2x0. Southbound. Auto rack on Clearfield subdivision. Clearfield, Utah. Clearfield FrontRunner station on State Street. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it. So, thanks for watching. Alright. Okay guys, here's another train. This one's a southbound manifest. Let's see. I'm on the train, and this is my second UP train, and it was a GEVO later. Oh, yep. DPU SD70 Ace. 8655. Now, for the most part, it's a coal train. It looks like it's empty. So. Alright, so this was a 2x1x0. You obviously didn't get to see the front of the train. This one, it was a 2x1x0. Southbound manifest. On the Clearfield sub, Clinton, Utah. Left the Clearfield FrontRunner station. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Comment down below, and subscribe. See you next time.